Last Thursday, teachers and heads of Catholic education institutions from across Uganda, under their umbrella body, the Association of Catholic Education Institutions, a national organization that brings together heads of Catholic education institutes from all Catholic dioceses in Uganda, held their second National Assembly at the Namugongo Martyrs Catholic Shrine. The National Assembly is always convened for Catholic education heads, teachers, and proprietors to reflect on their journey, appreciate their achievements, identify challenges, and craft the best ways of progressing amidst the ever-evolving education landscape. This year's National Assembly, held under the theme Traditional Catholic Education, sought to replenish and remind teachers in Catholic education institutions to offer education and knowledge nourished with Catholic values and ethos.
But one of the things that I think is really very important is what is in our theme, our identity. Who are we? Where did we come from? Where are we going? How do we get there?
The event was preceded by the celebration of a Holy Mass animated by the Secretary General of the Uganda Episcopal Conference, Monsignor John Baptist Kauta, who emphasized the importance and the significance of the theme, calling on teachers and heads of Catholic institutions to reflect and retain their Catholic roots in the mission of impacting knowledge aimed at producing faithful and practicing Catholic learners.
With the theme you have chosen, namely Catholic traditional education, and you want to turn out citizens who are in and out Catholic, faithful, and citizens of Uganda. I like that theme you have chosen, and it has fitted in. It is as if Father Kelo and your group were waiting to find an occasion where such a reading would be read, and that's why you picked it, also saying, yeah, about the right time. But no, it is a coincidence. I call it a coincidence because these readings that we are taking today are very basically reflecting the Spirit of Jesus. And the Spirit of Jesus, when he called you to be his follower, when he called me to be his follower, when he said to you and to me, come, follow me. And on the day you were baptized, when you were baptized, you were empowered to do what else but one good thing: to proclaim the good news to those who are brokenhearted, to proclaim liberty and freedom to those that needed it. And that is what Jesus was all about.
Monsignor Kauta urged the teachers and institution heads not to hesitate to fear proclaiming the Catholic values among learners, reminding them that they are holding their positions because of Jesus Christ.
Now, this message today is, be steadfast. Don't be afraid of proclaiming this message. Tradition, tradition, tradition. If you follow your tradition, 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 please do so. And this is a message for you as head teachers and the various positions of the association that you belong to. You are head teachers, everything in Catholic schools after the Spirit of Jesus.
The chairperson of Association of Catholic Education Institutions and Teachers in the Kampala Archdiocese, Reverend Father Dr. Henry Kasasa, reminded Catholic teachers that their institutions are among the best performing in the education sector, both nationally and internationally, upon which he urged them to seize the opportunity to continue promoting Catholic values.
Let's tap into the opportunities that are before us. As the Catholic education fraternity in Uganda, let's tap into the opportunities around us. As a matter of fact, this is not a secret. We're a big force in this country. But also, important to note, as you heard the representative of Acei talk, we're big stakeholders in the education of this country. And I would like to bring this to your attention, and maybe you know that Catholic education over the world, not only in Uganda, I've traveled, but Catholic education over the world is respected. And so is it respected in Uganda. We're a big giant. Someone said that if you have your trumpet, That's the British. Let some other people blow it for you. But the Americans say, no, if you have a trumpet, blow it yourself. I want to blow our trumpet today as the education fraternity in Uganda, that even our performance in this country stands recognition, true or false, as a Catholic fraternity. As a Catholic church, particularly the education fraternity, we have well-defined structures of administration. Let's tap them. Let's use them. Let's use our strength. Let's tap into our strength. Let's use our influence to address some of the pertinent issues that we have in our schools in this country.
The Association of Catholic Education Institutions was officially launched in 2024 at Rushoroza, Kabale District by Messenger John Vianney Sandi, the Vicar General of Kabale Diocese, during a two-day seminar attended by 58 head teachers, including rectors of minor seminaries and the principals of technical and vocational institutions. Frank Cambiro, UCTV News.